My name is Ute Helmich. I'm the chair for biostructural interactions here at the Friedrich Schiller University in Jena and also at the Cluster of Excellence Balance of the Microverse. My lab focuses on protein structure and dynamics, so essentially how the small building blocks of the cell move, what their architecture is, how they interact with each other, how they interact with different ligands, potentially with drugs, other biomacromolecules, and this is what we're interested about, what the fundamentals of life essentially are and how this works on an atomistic level. I love the interdisciplinarity of the cluster. It's amazing how different people from different backgrounds, different disciplines come together to work towards a common goal. You can collaborate with microbiologists, with chemists, with material science, with people that develop new instruments, new methods, with chemical ecologists. So it's very, very diverse, and yet the common goal is essentially to understand how microbial communities interact. And this is something that I'm very excited about because it allows us to not only add our research to this, but also to profit from everybody else and open new research areas that we probably never would have started if we hadn't been immersed in this community. We have a research area that I'm very passionate about, which are neglected tropical diseases, which affect a couple of billion people on the planet, but they're very rarely talked about in this area of the world. As the name says, they are neglected tropical diseases, which means that research on them is not as prevalent as maybe it should be. They impact human health, they impact animal health, they impact economics. Of course, there is a political component to all of this. And I think this is really important that we as researchers, as scientists, we don't live in a void, we don't live in a vacuum, we are part of this world. And I would like to really make an impact on how we can not only understand these microbes, these pathogens that cause these terrible diseases, but hopefully also do something against them.